Hey there, this is a 5-year-old sized cardigan which I enjoyed making. It took me at least 4 days to finish it, and I love the finished product. It's unique, it's fashionable, and it's beautiful, and it will gladden me to make more orders like this. Go ahead and comment how old your baby is and if you'd promote my business by placing an order. And if you'd like to try making one like this, I've made a tutorial for it and I will upload the video soon on my YouTube channel at Crochet with Brit Marie. So go ahead, check it out, and remember to like and subscribe. You can also share with your friends and family and leave a comment suggesting which crochet item I should make next. The contact information is down below. If you want to make an order, call or WhatsApp me now and I'll appreciate your love for my work. I'll be happy to hear from you. Bye.